to cancel your Hulu subscription. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to cancel your Hulu subscription. So first of all, just simply open the Hulu's official website, or you can also open the application in your mobile device. And after that, in order to delete or cancel your subscription, you need to first have a subscription of Hulu with you. And if you have the subscription, all you have to do is just simply log in with your credentials. And after logging into your account, just simply head to your account page on the computer or on your mobile browser and go to the cancel under your subscription section. And after that, you may be presented with the option to pause your subscription. Just select continue to cancel, and if you're not interested, you can also select cancel subscription directly. And after that, you have successfully cancelled the subscription status of your account and your subscription will be cancelled. You will also get a confirmation email in your email address that you have left your account, and that is it. So this is basically how you will be able to cancel your Hulu account subscription. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.